Well guys, it's Thursday. This will be our last day in the Smokies. As you guys are aware, our first day was nice. Second day was windy. Our third day was rainy. Our fourth day was snowy. So much that we had to spend the fourth day in the restroom. Our fifth and sixth day we zeroed in Gatlinburg. Our sixth day was sunny and nice. Our seventh day was sunny and nice. And this morning, the Smokies start us out with some rain. It's like they're saying goodbye and good riddance, Al and Scott. Or we could be ale and scotch, as some people have been starting to call us.
Scotch and ale. Scotch
and ale. So, I wonder if I can have a dual trail name. So, anyway, trail is beautiful, as you can see. We're going to hike about 10 miles today. We'll hit Standing Bear Farm, which is someplace just outside the Smokies. It's a eclectic hostel. I think there have...
Stay tuned for video at 11.
Yeah. I know you guys are missing seeing that face.
Hey.
Oh, stick the tongue out, Al. We have to... There we go. Anyway. So we've had a great time in the Smokies. Met some great people. Maybe if we catch up to... they'll catch up to us at the hostel. But we've met Chipper. That fits her. She is a very chipper person. We have PBG, Peanut Butter Girl, because she carried 1 pound, 16 ounces of peanut butter at the start. We met Jonathan, and Camel, who hikes with them. Camel's from Denmark. And then we met Jonathan and Sarah. And they're just section hikers. But we spent the last 2 or 3 shelters with them. Anyway, we'll see you guys up the trail. Happy trails. Doesn't the trail look pretty with the dark green and then the white flowers? And then we have a sign here.
You couldn't have been on 2 miles already.
No. Well, folks, we'll see you on down the line. Well, guys, we had a nice little climb, and we were rewarded. Well, actually, you had a nice little climb as well, and you're being rewarded. Al and I are starting to get our trail legs. I'd like to know when we're going to get our trail knees and arches and ankles, but hey, one thing at a time. Beautiful view out there. Oh, that's great. I had the video going.
There you go. Once more. One more?
Short. Actual trail life, folks. That's actual trail life.
While they're hot.
Those strange noises you hear that go bump in the night. Oh, we obviously need a shower and a beer. There's the Smokies that we know and love. That's smoke rising. Well, Al and I stopped for lunch at Davenport Gap Shelter. I probably should have took a picture of the shelter. It had chain link fencing in front of it, presumably to keep the bears out. Well, we're going to walk on down the line. The next place we'll hit is Davenport Gap, and we'll see you then. You want to say anything, Al?
Ah. Can I get my
Al and I are officially out of the smoke. Goodbye, Smokies. We've seen sun. We have seen rain. We have seen wind. We have seen snow. The only thing we have not seen is fire.
Yeah. How about a thunder?
Go ahead. You go ahead and cross.
I'm not going to cross. I'm going to take a picture.
I'll get out in the middle and take a picture. I'll watch you fall. If I have to push you down to make good video, I will. I admit that's pretty. Not that, but this. Sounds wonderful. Believe it or not, folks, the road crosses, or the trail crosses this bridge.
Crosses the Pigeon River.
Pigeon River?
Yeah.
See the little white blazes on the trail? We'll get a picture of the river here in a minute. Ooh, we gotta have a picture over here. Now those are some rapids. John Wright, do you think you could do this? You've been challenged, buddy. Well, we got some rafters that are going to come down and do it. Supper. Baked beans, cheeseburger, and PBR. Well, guys, we're at Standing Bear Hiker Hostel. And I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to get me something to drink and something to snack on. So, how about we go, let's go Diet Coke. Diet Coke, and, well, this is the hostel, Eclectic. That's where we did laundry. I'll take you into the bunk room here shortly. Oh, by the way, wave Chipper, wave PB. That's
Right outside.
sitting around the campfire. Al's born, everybody. Al can talk with anybody. I hope he doesn't fart though, because he'll end up blowing this place up. Do you hear me? You better not. I'm number one.